E. Cunningham, a former backup singer for Kelly, praised the sentence. "I started this journey 30 years ago," Cunningham sighed outside the court after the hearing. "There wasn't a day in my life up until this moment that I actually believed that the judicial system would come through for black and brown girls. I stand here very proud of my judicial system, very proud of my fellow survivors and very pleased with the outcome." R. Kelly convicted of racketeering and sex trafficking by a federal jury in New Yorker. Kelly convicted of racketeering and sex trafficking by a federal jury in New York. A jury convicted Kelly last September on 9 counts, including 1 charge of racketeering and 8 counts of violations of the Mann Act, a sex trafficking law. Prosecutors from the Eastern District of New York accused Kelly of using his status as a celebrity and a network of people at his disposal to target girls, boys and young women for his own sexual gratification. The 5-week federal trial in Brooklyn included testimony from witnesses who said they were sexually and physically abused by Kelly. The court also heard from people involved with orchestrating the disgraced R&B singer's 1994 marriage to the late singer Aaliyah when she was just 15 years old and he was an adult after she believed she'd gotten pregnant. Kelly's attorney, Jennifer Bonjean, said he would not address the court, pointing to the other criminal case faced by Kelly, but said before the sentence was read that her client rejects that he is this monster. "He accepts that he is a flawed individual," Bonjean said, "but he is not this one-dimensional monster that the government has portrayed and the media has portrayed." Kelly made his only comment in response to the judge after Bonjean said he wouldn't speak. "Yes, Your Honor, that's my wish." Bonjean said she advised Kelly not to speak at the sentencing because of pending litigation against him, but added, "He has regrets. And he is sad. Nobody wants to hear what he heard today." Kelly and the judge seen in a sketch of the sentencing. Kelly and the judge seen in a sketch of the sentencing. No one can undo the harm prior to sentencing. The court heard impact statements from 7 of Kelly's victims, including Jane Doe 2, who testified at trial. "It's been 23 years since we knew each other, and you've victimized a lot of girls since then," she said, addressing Kelly. She later added, "Now it's your turn to have your freedom taken from you. No one can undo the harm that has been done to these victims," attorney Gloria Allred, who represented 3 victims who testified, told reporters Wednesday outside court. "But at least it's time for Mr. Kelly to be accountable." Defense attorneys and prosecutors argued Wednesday in court over whether Kelly even could pay a fine. The defense said he is pretty close to indigent and could not. Prosecutors disagreed, saying money from the sale of some of his music rights and millions of no.